MCA wa Kienje kia NAIBAE noretie thirikari ya kaunti ya MERU otariria werone mubango yura bena yotanganira na mpango ya ELNINO ore mbura yetete ambere na kuranwa akiaria MCA wa Koloto na kiama kia PNU Karimi KILINGO nendekethete kaunti ya MERU kubangania mitaratara kana mutaratara ya buraba kaboithia barabara iririkite kuthangalanwa imburera yetete ambere na kura ya bura tutaririo mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Muthuri Murioki
nikenda gutigira kaunti ya MERU nandi ikweja mitaratara mwanya mwanya irekethwo igitumira gutigira kuntura kwina makondori na miguo andu bakutha bakimenyerwa na MCA wa Kienje nweke NAIBAE netho akiangatana na Rwanda Assembly mthwa na Arua gutigira ati bakorio ntubo bege makondoria baraboko brete thina ndene kaunti ya MERU.
Mr. Speaker, it is very important for this house to know whether the executive as a disaster management desk to take care of emergencies arising from the MERU residents. And when, Mr. Speaker, I say disaster, this means catastrophe, mishap, calamity arising from natural and man-made causes, which results in substantial loss of life or human suffering for damage and destructions of property.
Amna bubu MCA babetha bakiuga ati ukajakithwa kaunti ya MERU otembecha inacio budi kureta supplementary budget nikenda MCA bakurukia mbecha rigatumika kurigiria mitino na kinya guntukura kuonete makondoria
baumira batweleza disaster management yo ikariatia akwithira wina batu akwithira wina thia ya emergency umenya kuma wetana omba kwaria nao kana ombekia kubwethia ata nikenda utethuka no ntumbeche chia public irio na akwithira kutina mbecha irio batu turi assembly ituwetia governor areta supplementary budget tumukurukiria yeworo ya lainetwe na mathina yari othai tukiarirakia priority chia mathina ya ntubetu tutiariria waka barabara tutiariria waka ilas rirantu bairwine rirantu bena mathina ya kuomba kwithira kinyaba yeta na rwina ukua kwi mantu ebwiri kurwama mbere tukaokwa antubetu baraba kwa lakini uti response nye motorona nye chiringi yana kinye chiringi ngirie mwera kana 12.9 million ekwaria ni gutethia antu so ibo tukwenda kwira thirikari yetu ati it is high time batumire mbejire 12.9 million ira bombe ni gutethia antu right now no ntuchari changu alafu no ntu kumembejire ni nkai itumba gutethia antu baba ingi ito bangite manto mengi na yako buithe manto menene ne MERU through budget ira tukulukiria na thineke ya kwirate ati ubangite budget yeku komeria line so bura tukwaria kuria government na county government new akwithira mbejire bena jocha disaster management itekwana tukwanda yuko bakiwa mbeche itekwana ibarete supplementary budget bameria line begire mbeche disaster cha kutetheria antu bara kuona bia kuria antu kuona ndawa na kenda antu basa sustain mwanka at least issue ethira so ibarete supplementary budget tubakulukiria mbecha chia kutetheria antu na harama mashinani lakini tutumbika antu betu bakwa tuterete waka project nene na nya macha milioni githumba na antu baikuya antu boba akuimparare turekira wo.
And a time has come, we members of this county assembly, we should make MERU work. If they can't work on their own, we have the mandate bestowed as upon by the people of MERU County to ensure things work out for the betterment of our people. So, Honorable Speaker, I think we should summon these members, if at all we have any. They should come here, shed light on the mitigation, preparedness, response, and including the recovery issues that we have as a county government.
Na bubu mthwa na Arua kiri county assembly ji MCA wa Koloto nwekari KILINGO etho akireta rwaria rwa gutira county ya MERU bakwe wa ntuko 63 nikenya beja mutaratara na mawatho jajeketha bagitumira kwenja barabara niketha gutira barabara iri kuthithwa ite kuthukanga.
Now, therefore, this Honorable Assembly urges the department in charge of roads with the executive arm of the county government of MERU to, number 1, in consultation with the relevant national government agencies within 60 days of the adoption of this motion, undertake policy measures of enforcing the existing set standards for the construction and maintenance of county roads within MERU County, and 2, lastly, undertake progressive measures of upgrading existing main county roads within Meru County to bitumen status, Speaker. And I'm actually depressed that there's no policy which are put in place up to now, Honorable Speaker, when it comes to roads and standardization. And yet we can see the issues of flood. If we had proper drainages, Honorable Speaker, probably we will minimize the disasters that we are having right now.
Nkiripotera Uru TV, Betabu Murioki.